8 events on 21st February in history. 1995. American businessman and adventurer Steve Fossett became the first person to fly solo across the Pacific Ocean in balloon. It was the first of his many aviation records. 1972. US President Richard M. Nixon paid a state visit to the People's Republic of China, ending a 21-year estrangement between the communist country and the United States. 1965. In New York, Malcolm X, or Malcolm Little, or with his Muslim name El-Hajj Malik Al-Shahbaaz, was assassinated. He was an African-American leader and prominent figure in the Nation of Islam who articulated concepts of race pride and black nationalism in the early 1960s. The Autobiography of Malcolm X made him an ideological hero, especially among black youth. 1936. American lawyer and politician Barbara Jordan, the first African-American congresswoman to come from the Deep South, was born in Houston, Texas. 1925. The American weekly magazine, The New Yorker, began publication under Harold W. Ross. 1921. Raza Khan, known as Raza Shah Pahlavi, overthrew the Qajar dynasty in Iran. 1885. The Washington Monument was dedicated on the grounds of the Mall in Washington, D.C. 1848. The Communist Manifesto, written by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, was first published. The pamphlet became hugely influential.